Yeah, coach. Very good result today. Previously, leading up to the game, there was a tussle between both media pages. Just tell me how important was it to get the result today?
It was extremely important. We took that to heart. History doesn't mean nothing in today's football. It's a different era, a different program, and it's a new Vauxhall.
Yes, and it was also a game full of emotions. But one thing to note, that you are the first team to score on JC this season. Just share more positivity on how the group is feeling.
No man, the group is elated. Listen, I know the strength of our group. Our group is very talented. We know that JC, from watching the tapes, had a lot of mistakes in them around the back. So we know that if we put them under pressure on our home ground, we will get some chances. And exactly that we did. We know that the keeper, is a young keeper, so we were taking our chances. And very proud of Richard Walker, 10 goals this season, our talisman. Very proud of him, and just proud of the team overall.
Yeah, going into the game a bit now, tactically, you went down 10 men. Also, your coach fell short. The team did well defensively, to defend compact in a group. You guys stayed compact, as I said before, when JC were recycling in the second half. How much work did it take to have this presented in the dying moments of the game?
As a coach, you have to think of all scenarios in the game, and that's exactly what we practice. We practice to counter, we practice to hold, we practice if we're under one and we need to hold out to the rest of the game. The boys are prepared for all of these scenarios. We knew that going down 10 men would be under a lot of pressure, and JC is a team that can find the extra man. So we know that we had to defend well and to keep it compact and get another point as we will play them again in the playoffs.
Yeah, and coach, finally from me, I saw your tactically flexibility, on how it is formed today, and today I can believe that you are a good coach. It was a sense that where you started out to pass the ball to Kyle Chen, with Omarion Gentles, and now I saw you going direct after that, and it did bear fruit with the goal from Richard Walker. Just speak to me on what went through your mind with you and the staff, if Coach Winter, can shed some light on it.
We did a lot of homework, not just me but the coaching staff. We knew that you have different possibilities, different rotations, and that's exactly what we did. We just mix it up a little bit. We play short and sometimes we play long. And we have a team that is very strong in all areas. We can go direct, we can hold it, we can keep possession, we can rotate and attack through the lines. So as I said, we're very flexible, but what I'm most most proud about is the discipline and the commitment of the boys since minute one. And we wanted to put JC under pressure. We wanted to use the home advantage, and we used that to our advantage, and the boys never let me down. Very proud of them.
Coach, confidence. What does this mean for the dressing room? Not just as a coaching staff, but the players and the team in general.
Confidence is out the roof. Since day one, I told the boys to believe in themselves, and that's exactly what this is doing. This proves to us that we can compete with the best of the best, as JC is an elite school with rich history, and this shows that it's not only about history, but it's how committed you are, how disciplined, and how willing you are, how much you're going to believe in yourself and execute the instructions. So I'm very proud of the boys, very proud of the school and the support that they're behind the boys, the sports committee, the team manager is here, all the parents, just to have that camaraderie and the support is very important, and not just for the school, but the dressing room is out of the roof. We're going into the playoffs confident that we can take on everybody.
All right, coach. Thank you.
Hey, ask them some questions.